Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Do you have a weird smelling smell in your car when you turn the AC on? Your problem could be your cabin air filter, and today I'm going to show you how to do it on this 2018 Mustang GT. It is located right underneath the dash. Take all your stuff out. It's going to be back behind here. You're going to take this off. I'll show you how to do that, and then you're going to push this tab in and this tab. So to take this off, just up and just let it hang like that, and then that like that, that one like that. So on the Mustangs they have this little access panel here and the cabin air filter inside here, and it has a T20 screw right up here, but I'll pull this out of the way so you can see how to do it, and I'll go from underneath. And the air filter is CAF 1925P for the Mustang. See the tip of my screwdriver in there, but pull the screw out. And you're supposed to replace these about every 2 years to 20,000 miles. So there's probably just dropped it. The screw. It's a T20. That's it. It's right here. Pull it down. Take the lid out. You see the flap. Pull it down. You can see the arrow. It's for airflow, because the air on the Mustang comes from this way and it's catching all the dirt and pollen, and just pull it out from underneath. And you can see this one's never been changed. This is all stuff you're breathing in. So they didn't change it when I bought the car. I bought it with 12,000 miles on it, so there's that one. New one, airflow. Remember? So it's going to sit into this way. That's it. You may have to bend it up a little bit to get it in there, but it's not going to hurt it. Airflow. The air comes in from this way on the Mustang. Slide it up down in there. The lid. These two little hooks. Goes up inside there. Sometimes they can be a pain in the butt because you can't really see the back one. There it goes. And then your screw. back in there. So you want to make sure this is out. This is what connects to the side of the glove box. Just pull it like that. And you'll see where it connects in. Right there. So what I do is I pull that in. Pull that in. Easy peasy. And it's done. Put all your stuff back in the glove box. And that's how you replace the cabin air filter. You'll start to get a funky smell in the car, or 2 years, 15-20,000 miles, especially if you use the AC a lot. Go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe, and I appreciate it.